everybody, it's December 3rd and I'm so excited to open door number 3 of my Crafter's Companion Advent Calendar. I'm counting down till Christmas with this wonderful Advent calendar that Sarah Davies and her company put together with Gemini, and I'm going to open day 3, December 3rd, so let's give it a whirl and open day 3. And let's see if we can get it out of here easier. I used this yesterday. Let's see what we got in here. Boy, it's a little bitty thing. Let's see, I think it's another word. Can you see? It's hard to get your finger in there. Okay, so I have my sandwich here. I'm going to put my die on here, moving it around. Then my paper, this is just some scrap paper that I have, and we'll run it through and see how it turns out. Okay, so it is Father. Can you see where it cut it out of the paper? That's our negative. And let's see, let me get it out for you. Okay, Father. What a neat thing. This would be a great word for Father's Day in our cards. And so December 3rd, how fun. I can't wait till December 4th to open my door for my next die. I'm so excited. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and you'll come back tomorrow to see what is under the door number 4 for December 4th, counting down to Christmas. Until tomorrow.